Welcome to Cooking with Jess, where we make you the hero in your kitchen by bringing the flavor and keeping it healthy. Because over here, we believe that keeping it healthy doesn't mean you compromise on taste. I am Jessica Fisher Golden, and today we are taking it back to the basics. We are going to focus on our series of, do you remember? I'll go ahead and I'll tell you. Our staples, some of our kitchen staples. So today we're going to make gluten-free cashew milk. That's right, cashew milk. This, very simple. I like to use this whenever there is a call in a recipe for a non-dairy milk, but we need it to be a little bit more on like the smooth, creamier side. For example, if I'm going to make something like a macaroni and cheese, I will use this instead of using almond milk or using an oat milk because of the fact that it doesn't give much of that creamy consistency. Ready? Let's go. Now, this is a cup of cashews. Here's the thing to know about cashews. You need to soak them. Now, instead of soaking it overnight, I have a hack. I like to take boiling hot water, cover the cashews in it, and actually cover it with a plate or something for an hour. And that is very similar to an overnight soak. It just speeds it up. So we'll go ahead and put that in here. And then we're going to add some agua. And this time I'm gonna add just a little bit, something different. This is agave, as well as 1 tablespoon, maybe more like 1.5, of some vanilla. So we'll put that in there, and then we are going to blend. Now we're gonna let this go for 1 minute. The beauty in this particular milk is that we're not straining anything. We just blend it up and it's ready. Nada más. Se acabó. And it's done. That's it. You ready? Let's do it. 1 minute on high. I like to use this particular blender because it is a high-speed blender. There is some heat. And the good thing about that is because the cashews were already soaking in that hot water in order for it to blend up and get soft, because that's the thing, we got to soften this up because these are raw. These are not, we don't have anything added to it, none of that. We're just gonna go ahead and blend it up, and that's it. Let's see what it looks like. Looks like milk to me. I think we've achieved it. Now, we don't have to strain this at all. We're just gonna go ahead and put it in our container. And you can leave this in the refrigerator, covered in the refrigerator for a week. Use this for cereal, use this for, as I mentioned, like if I make a macaroni and cheese, you can use this in any recipe that calls for a non-dairy milk. Cashew milk, ladies and gentlemen. Until the next time, try this. Leave us a comment, let us know what you think. It's so simple. Why buy it when you can make it at home? Be well.